Today, we are going to do the last step in the process for creating our zebra. I'm going to start by using the cap of my glue stick and tracing it 4 times onto the black piece of paper. I'm going to trace it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I want to have 4 circles that are black when I am finished. Take your time. Try your best. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just do the best that you can. On the white paper, I'm going to trace the red cup 2 times. Put it on the paper and trace it 2 times. Once you have traced all your circles with your scissors, you are going to carefully and slowly cut out all the circles. If I have 2 circles that are white and 4 circles that are black, altogether I have 6 circles. All 6 of my circles will need to be cut out with my scissors. Take your time and cut carefully and neatly. Take little nibbles with your scissors so that way you don't make any mistakes. If you go too fast or take too big of bites, your circles may not turn out the way that you want them to. If you work slow, take your time, turn the paper, not the scissors, then your circles will be the best circles that you can make. I'm going to continue cutting out my circles. I still have 3 more to go. I'm halfway there. Take your time and cut carefully and neatly. Watch out for your fingers. The paper is what the scissors need, not your fingers. Don't let the scissors cut your fingers. Make sure you're only cutting the paper with your scissors. Turn the paper and 1 more to go, and I am all finished with cutting out my circles. Once you are done cutting out all your circles, make sure you take a second and throw your trash in the trash can. That looks pretty good. I'm going to get my glue stick and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on one black circle and stick it inside of the white circle and do the same on the other. I'm going to take these 2 white circles and place them on the zebra. These are going to be the eyes for my zebra. Put some glue on the back of the white circle, and towards the top of the head, put the eyeball. On the other one, do the same. Glue it onto the face of the zebra. A little bit of glue on the back of the black circles that are left over. Put them towards the bottom, and there's his nose. Now, I'm going to take my glue stick, and I'm going to put glue along the top side of the zebra's neck. A zebra has a mane, just like a horse, and ours is going to be multicolored. I'm going to take some pieces of yarn that have been pre-cut, and very carefully I'm going to push them into the glue, so that way half of the yarn is on the paper and the other half is sticking off the edge. You can make a pattern, you can do random colors, but you don't want to use all the same color. We want the rainbow effect to be in the yarn just like it is in our zebra's stripes. So mix it up, use a lot of mix-matched colors in your yarn. The last step is to add a tail to the zebra. I'm going to use a hole punch, and I'm going to punch 1 hole, 2 holes, and 3. 3 kind of like making it one big circle there. And I'm going to take the knot from the yarn for the tail and kind of push it through. You might have to grab it from the back side and then pull it all the way through. Now, we don't want to pull it all the way through. You want to take 1/2 of it and pull it through. The other half stays facing forward. Then, you're going to take your 2 bits of yarn, twist them together. This helps to tie it better. Crisscross them. Take the top one, put it behind, under, and through the loop, and pull it just a little bit, and your zebra has a tail, and our zebras are all finished for today.